I guess it.
Happy New Year to you.
Very good. All right. Mr. LaFleur, your attorney's here. Mr. Boffman, good morning to you. And Happy New Year to everyone. I'm sorry, Mr. Dupree. Who's your client?
Morning, Judge. Your Honor, it's still your docket. Your docket moved with you, right, to 535?
I can move with me, yes. It's just the tort room changed.
Got it. I've got 4 cases up today, but I think all my clients.
One at a time.
All right, let's start with Rafael Lowery, Lowery.
Now, I haven't seen Mr. Lowry yet, but I'm imagining that there's going to be a lot of it's going to be a lot of we have to exercise a lot of patience these next couple of weeks because it's going to be a lot of people that are still trying to get into room. He still has a warrant. He's a warrant out for his arrest as well. All right, who's next?
Next up, and I will say, Judge, I've been texting with him, and I'm all my clients. I'm telling them all the right Zoom number right now. I've also got Kimberly Gunn, Gunn, who is in the hospital today, so I don't think she will be appearing, and we'll probably be asking for an adjournment.
Okay, who's next?
Lucinda Galvin, Galvan.
And lastly,
Antonio Lovejoy.
you have the capabilities, you know what to do. And Mr. Attorney Lacey, good morning to you. Galvin is here. I'm going to put Galvin in breakout room 9.
Thanks, Judge.
Galvin, Miss Galvin.
I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am. I'm going to put you in breakout room 9. Your attorney is here, okay?
Okay.
He's going to come see you when he has things sorted out.
Okay.
And Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year's.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Who's your client?
Aaron. So I'm on my way to my office. I just got out of surgery 3 days ago, and so I'm not exactly walking. I got helpers here. I will be in my office with him in like 20 minutes. So if you could put me in
Ibrahim?
Yeah, that sounds right.
All right. Is it a civil infraction?
No, oh, I'm sorry, that's the wrong one. You're right. Aaron De Leon. Aaron Jesus Leon. I'm sorry.
So for final pretrial?
Yes, that's it.
Put on there, Dr. Ms. Mathis.
8:30.
Well, can we get the trunk drive and can you get the all right, counselor, we'll be here.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Sure.
Thank you, Judge. So I'll just go on mute until I get to the office. Let me show you something, Judge. See this scooter?
Yeah,
I can't walk right now, but this scooter is the best thing available.
you weren't
I,
playing basketball or anything, were you,
no,
Counselor?
no, I had foot surgery.
Oh,
No, yeah.
it
Uh,
went well, hopefully.
yeah, it went well, but boy, oh boy, uh, you don't know what it's like till you can't walk.
Yeah, no, I had tore my ACL.
Oh,
Some
geez.
it was bad.
Wow. Thank you so much,
So
Your Honor. I'll be with you shortly.
be safe.
Thank you.
Then how was he gonna?
Leon. Well, let's see how he's been tested.
Okay.
Mr. LaFleur, did you join breakout room? 10, I'm gonna put you in, Mr. LaFleur, good morning to you. Mr. Boffman is here.
Good morning, Your
Uh,
Honor. Happy New Year to you and your staff.
Happy New Year to you.
Thank you.
Mr. LaFleur is here. I'm gonna put him in breakout room 10. You know what to do, Mr. Boffman.
Sure, Judge. I think we're ready. Are you going to give extra time for members of law enforcement
A
today?
few extra minutes, so that they can make the adjustment. I
Okay.
think Mr. joined the room. In the meantime, let me pull his file and
That's fine. I'm going to review the discovery with him on the share screen and come back. Thank you again.
very well. All right, Marquise Lewis, good morning to you. And Happy New Year. City of Detroit versus Marquise Anthony Lewis, case number SP 1751808, counts 1 and counts 2. Good morning to you, Mr. Lewis. State your name for the record, please. Marquise Lewis, unmute yourself, please. Take your hat
Hey, how
off,
you
sir.
doing? Good.
Good morning. Take your hat off, please. All right. I see that you.
Right here.
His name for the record, Mr. Lewis.
Marquise Lewis.
All right. Happy New Year to you. I see you paid one, but you didn't pay the other, and you didn't
Yeah,
pay this two. You didn't pay this $288. I thought I told you
So
to
it
pay
was
that.
three. It was three tickets. I thought it was only two. Good. I thought it was
No,
one.
no. You have two that I'm concerned about. You paid one. I'm going to dismiss that case. But I thought I told you to pay that 288 first, so you can get yourself see if you can get yourself a valid license.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. To my knowledge, to my understanding, which I misunderstood, is I thought I had to pay both of them. Then I would be able to try to get my license. So that's why I didn't pay that one specifically first.
No. So what I'm going to give you an opportunity to do is pay this 200. This is something that it was owed. This $288. You owe some other civil infractions, one of which is $288. That's what's affecting your license. This other 240 is not affecting your license. So I'm going to give you an opportunity to pay the 288 first, and then you can get into a payment plan for the rest of it.
Okay.
I'm gonna put this matter.
Okay, then I'm gonna definitely try to make sure I get that
for-
taken care of this week.
I'm gonna put this matter for review on February the 5th, 2026. You pay the 288, and then I'm marking the file. Allow payment plan for the rest of it.
Okay, Judge.
So try to get into a payment plan on that 288. You need to pay that off, and then you could potentially set yourself up to get a valid license.
Okay, that sounds great. I'll definitely make sure I take that route.
All right, come back on February the 5th and we'll see if it worked for you. Have a great day.
Thank you. You as well. Happy New Year.
Report, failed to report, negative, failed to report. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Happy New Year.
Thank you, same to you. So just want to let you know, I did put, he emailed me the day after New Year's. He failed to test, but he said because he was supposedly sick.
Always. It's all, I know that. It's always.
So I put everything.
Yeah, we know. Well, you've heard it a million times, right?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely.
All right.
Have a wonderful day. Happy New Year's.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
You too.
So. This thing is not good. Something's wrong with the connection on this computer screen. Janice, is that Janice Burrell?
Andrea Larock.
Say that again.
My name is Andrea Larock.
You have to turn your camera on, please. Good morning to you. LaFlesh, good morning to you. Happy New Year to both of you.
Did I turn the camera on?
Is that Miss Harris? Are we ready, Miss Harris?
Not quite, Your Honor. Ms. Horn was still speaking with officers. Wait, let me check to see. But I can assist someone else in the meantime if the court would like.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Joseph Allen LaFlesh. Case number SP 122659. Counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Joseph LaFlesh.
All right, happy New Year. Go ahead.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll recall the warrant. He paid, it was 3 tickets that came out of this. He paid a no insurance proof. He has an equipment violation that was in default. I wouldn't have an issue allowing him to be heard on that. And then the false ID. Mr. LaFlesh, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. A breakout room 11, please. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
All right. Pass the matter. All right, Mr. Lovejoy, good morning. Mr. Gavin, good morning to you. Happy New Year. And Mr. Lovejoy, good morning to you. Happy New Year.
Good morning. Well, a block on the street, the St. James to deal that point.
All right, you need to mute yourself, Mr. Lovejoy. I can hear you outside conversation. Let's do this. Let's put the trials. Let's make a stack of different. Let's do it like this. Let me take this and put this all the way over here. That's where those will go. And then this right here, over there. So let's put it like this. Let's do trial, pre-trial, and is that all right? Let's see. This was a Marquise Lewis. He was, oh, but these are the ones that are done. These are completed ones. Then let's do trial, pre-trial, trial, formal hearings in one of these stacks. And then just put them like, yeah, that way I can just, yeah. How about that? Is that a little bit of organization?
Good, I'm bored.
Feel like more space here up here?
It's just too much space.
You know, you actually lower than higher. You was actually higher down there.
Yes,
How do you feel? What do you think?
cause
Meaning
you were
like you was
up,
sitting up higher.
you was.
I don't know what you mean by that.
Here's like you not here with us.
Well, he not, but he was up. He said he was around.
Yeah, the way that's made is sitting up
He
higher.
is still higher, but
No, I didn't have any problem out of Mr. Gavin. Did I? LaRock, you have to put you out of that one you on. All right, very well. I have you all.
okay, so.
All right.
Where is? Trial.
Mr. Waskey, who are we waiting? Who are you waiting on?
Well, Miss Lusk, L-U-S-K.
Oh, yeah, all right.
8:30.
So that's,
Yeah.
all right. I'll leave that up to you and Ms. Lutz, Noonan. Yeah, anybody ready? Let's ask that. All right, we'll wait. Is Mr. Barry here? Do you have anybody, Barry?
I do not, Your Honor.
Okay. Oh. All that noise in the background, Miss LaRock.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not at work.
Is that your television?
Yeah.
You gotta turn it off.
Yeah, I did it. I turned it off. I don't know how to mute them. I don't know how to work this.
All right, let's see if we can, City of Detroit, I don't know if you've had an appointed attorney or not. City of Detroit versus Andrea Yvette LaRock. Case number SP 1556913, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1795759, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. LaRock.
Andrea Yvette LaRock.
All right, Happy New Year to you, ma'am. Today is the date and
Same to you.
time, a trial date. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes.
All right, that's George Morrell.
Yes.
Has the court seen the officers, Your Honor?
Let me look on the sheet and see who exactly is here on, Officer Hunter. I saw Officer Hunter and, Officer Curtis, I do not believe has showed, let's see. Yes, Officer Curtis is here as well, so both the officers are here.
Thank you.
Ms. LaRock, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date time set for trial. Join the
Thank
room.
you.
Pass.
And just one quick question. What's this stack right here?
I don't know.
This first one?
That looks like reviews, doesn't it? No, Ramos. This is final pretrial. That's a comp. He's there. Lagos was a review. Where are the reviews?
You said the reviews.
Yeah, that could be reviews and
This
then.
is pre-trial. That's
Then
the
there's-
one on the bench.
that's-
What's
okay.
this? This is trial.
Yeah, that's, I don't know what those are, but that's,
All right, this trial.
yeah, that, so,
This is trial, pre-trial. Show cause.
Judge,
All
this
right.
is Watsky.
yes.
I got a matter that's pending, hanging on over in Judge Archer. I'm gonna swing over there and take care of that. Miss
Very
Lawson
well.
has not shown up yet this morning, and I haven't had any contact with her.
All right, come back and check on us. I know that, there's
Okay.
gonna be a lot of, late shows because of the thing, but go ahead. We'll be here.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, this is Antonio Lovejoy. If this case is about like me being evicted or anything like that, I've already left the premises.
Hold on, Mr. Lovejoy. Do you have an attorney? Good morning to you.
No.
All right, give me a minute, okay?
Okay.
Miss Goodman, good morning to you. Miss Goodman, unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, please. Miss Gonzalez.
Hello?
Yes, you have to start your camera, ma'am. Good morning to you. What is your full name?
Lizette Gonzalez Gonzalez.
All right. And good morning to you. Happy New Year to you.
Good morning. Happy New Year's.
Do you have a case number, ma'am?
My, let me see. I joined since I think it was 8:20 and it just said connecting and I never connected and I've been waiting for like an hour and a half.
Yes, did you have a case? Did you have a case number?
Yeah, it's SP 17793641.
Wendy Gonzalez, City of Detroit versus Wendy Gonzalez, case number SP 17793641. State your name for the record, please.
Yes, Wendy Lizette Gonzalez.
Good morning to you. I think this is going to be a case where today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to pay $240. And I see that money was paid, ma'am. I'm going to dismiss your case. I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Same to you. Thank you.
Chair. Just bring it right up. All right, thanks.
You're welcome. Thank you.
We have a compliance letter for Mr. Allen.
You got it?
Yes.
All right. Let's stay over here. Where's Oliver's phone? Those trials.
Well, the first step should be the reviews. First. That's gonna bring the eventual.
Yeah. I don't see Oliver's file.
Take it. I got it.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Antonio Oliver. Let me, whoa. 1 second, Mr. Oliver.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Good morning, Corporal Spidell. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Oliver, give me 1 more minute. I'm waiting on them to give me a contact information. I just spoke with just had a text message conversation with the Sheriff Washington, and he indicated that they are still looking for good candidates to join the ranks. Is Mr. Oliver still here?
Yes, I'm still here, Your Honor.
All right. All right, give me 1 second. I'm gonna get you that contact, but we've confirmed that you completed. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Antonio Oliver. Mr. Oliver, we've confirmed that you have completed the community service, and I thank you for that. What I'm very glad to hear. I know I got on you a little bit last time you were here, and about quitting your job. I hope you reflected on that. And, we all, I don't know, some people love the cold weather. I'm not one of those persons anymore. I used to, when I was a kid, I'd rather it be sunny and palm trees and 75 and sunny every day. But it's just not gonna happen up here in Michigan. But when you told me you quit your job because it was cold outside and you didn't have a way to work, I found that to be kind of ridiculous in my eyes. Being one that has caught the bus, probably all the way through college and past that, and in the cold and all type of different kinds of weathers. But I am happy that you completed community service, and I'm happy that you have decided to go back and give some more assistance. And I'm happy that you've made some relationships over there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this matter out. You gotta use your inside voice, ma'am. Good morning to you. Yes. I'm gonna dismiss this matter in front of us, and I'm gonna wait on them to give me a contact number for the sheriff's department, okay? Hopefully you give them, you can make some good relationships over there. Like I say, as a career job, I know they're hiring. You can start out making probably 50, 60,000 first year. So it's not one of those McDonald's jobs or anything like that. It's a big time job. So give me a few more minutes, all right? I'm closing this out. Good morning to you, man. Happy New Year. Corporal Spidell, good morning to you.
Good morning. I just have to drive down for in-person court. I couldn't put it in the chat. The chat is bought.
You had what?
I have Lovejoy in this courtroom. I have to drive down for in-person court. I was just trying to be released. I tried to leave my number in the chat, but chat is blocked.
Lovejoy is here. So let's see if we can, if you have to come on down, go to and speak with city attorney right quick.
Yes, Your Honor. I have been waiting on.
Let me put you in city attorney. Go speak to her, please. All right. Who's ready?
Me. Ready? That's to Ms. LaRock, Your Honor.
LaRock?
Yes, Your Honor, LaRock.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. LaRock. Ms. LaRock, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, if we could confirm that she has a valid license.
Can you run it? All right, we'll run the license. We'll pass the matter. Who's next?
David Rosenberg, Your Honor. Sorry, go ahead, Mr. Rosenberg.
All right, did we call about, Gardner, is this his first appearance in front of me?
I believe it is, Judge, after arraignment. I spoke with Tamika Horn. She suggested a final pretrial and a deviation letter.
All right, we're gonna adjust the bond on this as well. Let's call the city of Detroit versus strike that, Ernest Dean Gardner. Case number Z8098551. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, may it please the court, to the record, David Rosenberg, P. 27407 on behalf of Mr. Gardner. We're here virtually, Judge, no objection.
All right, good morning to you, Counselor, and Mr. Gardner, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
I mean, all these words, everybody.
Where is he, Mr. Rosenberg?
Oh, you know what? He might still be in the breakout room. I'm sorry. Let me tell him to leave. I'll be right back.
I'm gonna try to pull him out.
Okay.
I wish this.
Should I let the court do it or me?
Well, you can do it. You can try it yourself too. There we go. There we go.
So that might be why I'm saying she owes.
All right. Let me pass the matter momentarily. Where's Mr. I need to write these numbers. Let me use a sheet of paper, please. Where's Mr. Oliver? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Mr. Oliver?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, I have that phone number for you.
Okay.
And I would like for you to check back in and we can help you with any resource that you need to make sure that this works out for you. All right, you ready?
Gardner, I didn't see him in the waiting room. Maybe you've got him, Joe.
Not you, Mr. Not
Okay.
you, Mr.
I'm
Mr.
ready.
Oliver, you ready?
Yes.
It's Officer Mark Diaz, MARKDIAZ. You want a job too? The telephone number is 313-820-8437.
8437.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I have it.
All right. Give that person a call, Mark Diaz a call, and you can let them know that you got the information from here. And I'm gonna keep your name to make sure I track who I'm giving these names to this year. And I want to make sure that if you need something else from the court to help you with this process, we'll do whatever we can, but keep us posted on how it goes, all right? Mr. Oliver,
Okay.
I wish you a safe and happy holiday season. It sounds like you're starting off the new year with a positive attitude, and we appreciate it, all right?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
You too.
All right, I'll get you that information as well. That's Wayne County Sheriff's. They're looking for people to ranks. She looked like, I don't be no bully. Huh?
I need to do some type of work for East Point.
Do some type of work for East Point. Why can't you do some work for the Wayne County Sheriff?
Nice to pay you.
Huh?
Nice to pay you up.
So,
She said she about to pay her tickets, but she didn't pay.
I know, but
What he's saying is the Wayne County Sheriff
it's higher
Oh.
you can get a job with them.
for sheriff's deputies, career jobs, Cadillac benefits, all that. All right, who's Rosenberg?
Yes.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ernest Dean Gardner. Mr. Gardner, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Ernest Gardner.
All right, day is the date and time set for a what? What is it set for?
Pre-trial, Judge.
A pre-trial. All right, so as for purposes of bond, we're gonna adjust. Is this your first time being in front of me, Mr. Gardner, for this?
No.
So have you been testing? So have you been testing?
The case was dismissed, Your Honor, and the prosecutor brought it back up. That's why we back here.
Oh, why was the case dismissed?
Officers didn't show up.
All right, it was rewritten. Thank you, Mr. Gardner. Better memory than the old man here.
Okay. Okay, reference number Z8097321. All right, so we need to put you on some type of monitoring again. What did you represent him in the last?
I did, Judge.
And were you testing last time, Mr. Gardner?
Yes, I was.
Did we have any issue with your testing?
No, you did not.
And if I tested you today, what would the results be?
I'm not
It-
sure.
it's not, well, that tells me you've been drinking then, if you're not sure. It's not a question to get you in trouble, sir. That wasn't,
No, I know.
I wanted
We just
to know. If,
New Year's Eve, so yeah, I had a few drinks then. So
all right. So we're gonna put you back on no drinking. And we're gonna put you back on some sort of monitoring of that. What I will do, and you told me, and I'm gonna take your word for it, but I'm gonna look it up as well. You told me that you didn't have any issue the last time you were tested. So what I'll do is I'll just test you twice a month.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna give you a $500 personal bond, a no drinking during the pendency of this case, no leaving the state of Michigan without the court's permission. And I'll give you a pretrial date for January 22nd, 2026 at 8:30. I'm going to refer the matter to probation. And I am going to need a good phone number from you.
313-733-7173.
All right. So you understand that you have a little bit more leniency because this case was brought back. Now I'm going to go look back at the old file. Everything has been comports to what you say it was. You didn't have any issue on probation. If there's some issue that I see that's different than what you tell me, then I'll get you and your attorney back in here and we're going to make some adjustments. But you understand no drinking, and that means that if there's some evidence of drinking, being that there's a mistest, diluted test, or a positive test for alcohol, we're going to up the ante on the bond. Okay.
Understood, Judge.
All right, Mr. Gardner, Mr. Rosenberg, Happy New Year to both of you. Have a safe one. We'll see you back on the 22nd, and best of luck.
Thanks for seeing us, Judge. Appreciate you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, who's next? Who's ready?
Ready and over, Judge.
LaRock, do we have a response?
We will in a second. Let me get some of these retained counsels out of here.
This is trial.
This is the trials.
Maybe I should put this one.
And trials and formal ones.
They go together. Wait a minute.
License. All right, I'm looking at who Madam Stapafik.
Good morning, Judge.
Spahovic.
Spahich.
I'm sorry.
And then I hitch. Spahich.
Spahich. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Now, who is your client?
No, it's fine. My client's
Okay.
last name is Ovcina, Ovcina.
City of Detroit versus Basir Osavina, case number SP 1835-7701. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, Counselor.
Good morning, Judge. Ida Spahich on behalf of Mr. Bachir Ovcina.
All right. Yeah, and as for your purpose of your client's presence, Counselor, you're retained and you have the authority to enter into this any agreement on your client's behalf?
That is correct, Judge.
I'll waive the client's presence based on that representation. Officer Paulus, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please? All right, so he did appear. What is there any resolution you got?
Yes, Judge, my client is going to be, or I'll be pleading responsible on behalf of my client, 1 to 5 over a 1-point traffic ticket.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Judge.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Judge.
I mean, right, well, there was no, with that, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5 over $125. I'll give your client until the 20th to pay it. If there's nothing further, Miss Attorney Spot.
Hitch.
Get that correct, Ms. Spot Hitch. Have a safe, happy holiday season. Well, have a safe new year and happy new year to you, and we'll see you soon.
You as well, Judge. It was nice seeing you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
So much. Mr. Murad.
Ready on Omar, Your Honor.
Omar. This is the city of Detroit versus Amir Mushan Omar. Case number SP 183-58781. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ryan Murad, P83665. On behalf of Ms. Omar, I do have the authority on her behalf to tender a plea of responsible to impeding traffic.
Okay, I'll waive the client's presence since you are representing and you have that authority. Officer Martin, good morning to you. Are you here? All right, I think maybe they left as well. So we'll stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Judge.
All right, with that stipulation, I find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. Have your client pay it by the 20th of January. There's nothing further. I'll see you soon, Counselor.
See you soon, Judge. Happy New Year. Take care.
Okay. Officer Corporal Spidell, are you coming down?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, come on down there. How long will you be?
About 15 minutes.
Okay, very well. All right, so let's go back on the record with Miss LaRock. Well, I don't know if we need to go back on the record with her or not. Mr. Berry, Miss LaRock does have a valid driver's license.
In that regard, Your Honor, she also has presented valid insurance as well as registration, and we seek dismissal of these matters.
All right, case dismissed, Ms. LaRock, for providing valid documentation. Have a very good rest of your new year and best of luck to you, ma'am. This year.
She's muted.
I don't know. Thank you.
All right, you can go back and watch the television, I guess, or do what you want to do.
I'm cleaning up, but thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
You still owe the court some money, though. You know
Oh,
that,
how much I owe the court?
I don't know. You got to look it up on the system.
Oh, I do.
All right, let me
what do I go?
I'm waiving the warrant fee, so minus $100, you owe $708. $708.
$708?
Yep.
And what is that for? May I ask?
Some stuff you left in your wake that you had a while ago that you never took care of.
I don't even recall. Okay, thank you. I go and look. Thank
It
you.
was years ago. It was, yeah, you need to go on there and look. Have a great day.
You said it was
ma'am.
years ago? Okay, thank you.
Yep, some years ago, yes.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. All right,
How do I get out?
who else is ready? I'll put you out.
Thank you.
Who else is ready?
I'm ready, Your Honor, on Garcia, Gloucester, and George.
And what are they set for? All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Horatio Garcia Palacia. Case number SP 1817117. Count 1 and count 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Sharon Payne, P38749, representing Mr. Garcia, who's here via Zoom. Mr. Garcia, would you please unmute and state your name for the record?
Yeah, Horacio Garcia.
Thank you. Your Honor, this is originally scheduled for a pretrial. I am requesting the video. It wasn't ready yet, so we're requesting to adjourn this to another pretrial date.
Well, why don't we, it wasn't ready yet.
I didn't get it. I got the
Yeah,
written
well,
ticket.
did you send a notice to them?
Yes, and I think what happened is it got caught in between that 2-week period or the week period between Christmas and New Year's. I got the ticket and I sent the request, I think the 26th of December. So I do have the written ticket, but I need to view the video. And
Let's set it for a trial date. Let's set it for a trial date. And what I'll do is I will, if there's an issue with that, if they haven't gotten it by then I'm sure you know what to do, what motion to make, because they have 21 days.
Correct.
If there's another issue with preparation and not having the adequate time to review, then we'll discuss it then. But let's see if we can just set it for trial date and move it on, and then we'll figure out moving forward. All right, because I know that you are going to do what you need to do, so we're going to make sure the other parts are doing what they need to do. All right. Trial date on the same date as the pre-trial anyway, January 22nd. If there's nothing further, Mr. Garcia, have a happy new year to you. I'll see you back January 22nd.
All right, sounds good.
All right, very good. Happy New Year. All right, let's go. I've already called it into the record. Let's go back on the record, Mr. Morrell George Jr. Ms. Payne, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Sharon Payne, P38749, representing Mr. Morrell George Jr., who is here via Zoom. Mr. George, could you please state your name for the record?
Morrell George Jr.
Thank you.
All right. Have you guys had a chance to acquaint yourselves? I know he indicated that he did speak with you earlier, as far as you gave him a call when you first got appointed to this. I imagine you're going to have to do some discovery work and get some stuff going on with this as well.
I have partial discovery. I've had an opportunity to talk to Ms. Horn, and at this point, due to the number of tickets, they are not making an offer, so we're requesting a bench trial on all of them.
The trial will be the 22nd of January as well. All right. If it's nothing further, Happy New Year to you, Mr. George. Be safe, and we'll see you back on the 22nd. Okay.
All right. Thank you. At what time on the 22nd?
9 a.m.
a.m.
9 a.m. Yes.
I know. Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. And who else?
I'm back, Your Honor.
I have Gloucester, Gloster, Deja.
Yes, she's here as well. Are you ready on Miss Gloucester?
I am.
This is the city of Detroit versus Deja Gloucester, case number SP 1811193, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Sharon Payne, P 38749, representing Ms. Gloucester, who is here via Zoom. Ma'am, could you please unmute and state your name for the record?
Deja Gloucester.
Thank you. Your Honor, we've had an opportunity to pre-try this matter. She has presented documentation, and both charges are going to be dismissed.
Very well. All right, Ms. Gloucester, I'm going to dismiss the case per city attorney. And that's the open alcohol and motor vehicle driver as well, right?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Case dismissed, ma'am. Have a safe and happy new year, and best of luck to you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
All
Your
right,
Honor.
anyone else? Payne?
No, that's it. Thank you, Your Honor. I'm ready. I'm finished.
All right, have a good one. I'll see you back at least by the 22nd, if not before.
Okay, Your Honor. Happy New Year.
All right, thank you. Mr. Lacy,
Yes, Your Honor.
who was your client?
It's Mr. Aaron Jesus Leon, and he's here with me. If I could go talk to the prosecutor in a breakout room, we could probably resolve this.
Judge? The judge that was in 535.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Leon. Join the breakout room, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
I do understand, but unfortunately, so you have to call that up before you take a decision. Let me get a number.
Mr. Berry, are you ready on anyone?
Because I can't help you.
I have no one at this time, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right, let's change that.
It's 313.
Let's call the city of Detroit versus Stephen Eugene Gavin. Case number 05243631. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Gavin. Have to unmute.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, state your full name.
Stephen Eugene Gavin.
All right, Mr. Gavin, good morning to you. Happy New Year to you.
Hey, same to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Check with the city, and I don't see Officer Zoella, Zeolla, Zoella, here. I don't think that officer has appeared. Speak with the city, Mr. Berry, to make sure, and then we'll get Mr. Gavin out of here, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll pass the matter. Oh no, Leon has problems. Leon has problems, so he's gonna have to see me. Dupree, good morning to you. Who do you have?
Judge, I've got a few cases ready to begin with. Kimberly Gunn, who we're going to be asking the court to waive her presence.
City of Detroit versus Kimberly Gunn, case number SP 1768831. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, P0132, attorney for the defendant. Judge, the defendant is in the hospital today. After consultation with the people, we're jointly requesting that her appearance be waived.
All right, I'll waive the presence of Mr. Gunn, and go ahead.
Thank you, Judge. Your Honor, the people spoke to the officer in this matter who indicated no recollection of the incident. As a result, the people are unable to move forward. Defense would move to dismiss without prejudice.
All right, case dismissed. Who's next?
Judge, next up would be Rafael Lowry, Lowery.
City of Detroit, take your hat off, Mr. Lowry, if you haven't already. Good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Rafael Lowry, case number SP 152594441 and U66844823 1945933031 and 2577533921. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PA 0132, attorney for the defendant. Mr. Lowry, state your name, please.
Raphael Lowry.
Good to see you, Mr. Lowry. What's going to happen with these? I do have Jabaru is here. I'm looking at I thought I had Officer Jabaru here. Or what have you worked out, if anything, Mr. He was here?
Yes, Judge.
Officer Cotton. I don't think I've had an Officer Cotton. Who do you know that has checked in, Counselor?
Judge, it's just Officer. So Officer Jabaru was the only one to check in. He has no recollection for his 2 tickets, which were from the same incident. We have no officer on the other cases. The people are therefore unable to proceed on any of these cases. We would move to dismiss without prejudice.
Which one was Jabaru?
He was on the U ticket, Judge, and the SP ticket.
Is this language? Okay.
I'll dismiss those 2 tickets for no recollection and that's in the 19459303 and the 2577533921. Those will be dismissed, no officer.
Okay.
Is that what the understanding is?
Yes, Judge.
All right. I'll waive the warrant fees and you'll pay. You have $145 reinstatement fee. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lowry, you have a happy new year to you and be safe, okay? You still have another case open. You're breaking up.
I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for speaking out of turn, Judge, but I just had a question concerning my record. I know that last time we were able to meet, you kind of read down, and there was a discrepancy. Is there still a discrepancy out there?
I don't know. I don't recall the last time. As far as discrepancy is concerned, and I can say this, that the cases that we had in front of, all the cases that we had for you today are going to be dismissed.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
So if that answers the question, then that's great. If it doesn't, I don't know how else to answer your question. Let me take one more look.
And I will just
And
note
Judge,
for the record, Mr. Lowry, I'm not sure if this is what you're referring to, but you do still have a separate felony case pending, I believe.
You do.
Yeah,
You have to go in front of Judge Patricia Jefferson for that.
Okay, Judge, may I say something? Just to probably just shed some light on the matter. I remember
No,
spending.
no, Mr. Lowry, do not say anything about that felony case. Do not talk about it at all. Don't talk about it here.
I mean, I'm trying to figure out why is it? Why do I have a felony case?
You know,
All right,
Mr.
so
Lowry,
listen,
I'll give you a call after court and we can talk.
What he's trying to do, sir, he's trying to help you with your rights and preserve your rights. So why don't you have a private conversation with Mr. Dupree's very good lawyer, so he can answer that question for you. All right.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Be safe, sir. Happy New Year to you.
Yes, sir.
All right. Who do you have next?
Judge, next up would be Lucinda Galvin.
This is the city of Detroit versus Lucinda Galvin, case numbers SP 1784779, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1800487, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Lucinda Galvin.
Matthew Dupree, P80132 for the defendant. Judge, we've reached a proposed resolution of these matters. To begin with, Judge, I believe under the resolution, a couple of these matters are in default. A couple of the SP matters, SP 1800487.
I've already set aside.
Very good, Judge. With that said, the defendant would be pleading guilty on the open intox charge to a reduced open intox as a passenger. The marijuana charge would be dismissed. She would be pleading guilty on the nitrous oxide charge with a recommendation for a 3-month delayed sentence. She'd be pleading guilty on the seat belts and the fail to secure passenger or the child safety violation, with the remaining matter dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
I have seatbelt and just a failure to secure passenger and defective equipment and expired plates will be dismissed, right?
Yes, Judge.
All right, raise your right hand, ma'am. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for the misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Dupree went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, Officer Ozzie, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
For the record, Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to you too, sir. Officer Ozzie, Detroit Police Department, Batch 768.
Very well. Let me draw your attention, Miss Galvin, back to September the 1st, 2025 at around 11:34 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Byrne Highway and Morrell. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
I was going home.
That's a yes?
Oh, no.
So you weren't in that area around that date and that time, ma'am?
Oh, yes, I was.
And were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Which case is this for?
The open alcohol. I just told you the date and time and the area. Are you
No,
okay
yes,
now,
I know
ma'am?
now. Yes, I know now.
All right. Did you have some alcohol in that vehicle at that date and that time?
Yes.
And what kind of alcohol did you have?
I don't recall.
But you know you had alcohol that day?
Yeah, but it wasn't mine.
Sorry, it was in your car, right? Or your car you were operating, right?
Yes.
And was the alcohol open?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
And you don't recall, so do you know it was alcohol in there?
Well, I mean, she told me, but I mean, I didn't ask her like what kind it was.
But you knew she brought you knew the alcohol was open when who is she, your passenger?
Yes.
And you knew she brought some open alcohol in your car
No,
when she got in your vehicle, correct?
was because when they had asked me for the ride, I didn't know she had it until she told me to stop at the place, and that's when I had looked in the back seat and it was in her purse. And
Judge,
that's
if I
when
might.
Go ahead, Mr. Dupree.
Miss Galvin, this was a labeled bottle of alcohol, correct?
yes.
And the bottle had been opened, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
And you knew that bottle was in your back seat, correct?
Well, after like they told me she threw her purse in the
So
car and
at some point before you spoke to the officer, you knew it was in your back seat, right?
no.
So the officer asked you what this was, and you said it was a bottle of alcohol. Asked you what was in the back seat, and you said it was a bottle of alcohol, right?
Yeah.
I'm satisfied, Judge.
Do you understand, ma'am, that the law does not allow you to have any open alcohol in your motor vehicle?
Yes,
You have to, pardon me?
No, yes, I do.
All right. Now, what you're saying is, I believe what you're trying to say is that you did not know that it was alcohol, that she had brought the alcohol in your motor vehicle until after you got stopped and the police found it? Is that what you're trying to say?
Well, she told me that she threw in the purse and she told me that she had liquor in there.
And when did she tell you this?
When they had brung out, when she came out the restaurant and she threw her purse in my car and she told me that she had that stuff in there. And then that's when the
Okay,
police.
so you knew before you got stopped by the police that you had open alcohol in your car, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you're supposed to tell her to put that alcohol in the trunk and transport it outside the passenger compartment of the car. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
All right. What about this nitrous oxide?
Yeah, that was mine.
That's yours.
Yeah.
You still do that stuff?
No, I don't. After that day, I don't like, I have anxiety. I don't want to deal with like the court and all that. I don't like to get in trouble or anything. I was at home, and then they asked me for a ride and I had brought it with me and I know I shouldn't have.
How long you been doing that stuff?
Not long.
Not long?
I haven't.
Like 2, 3?
No.
How long?
When I was younger, I did it, and then I'm going through like something, and that day I was just bought it. And
So when you were young, you're still young.
well, I know.
But so you figure that you can just stop just because now you got caught? You think you're just going to stop now?
Well, no, I haven't. I swear I have not bought it since that day. Like, I haven't been out or anything. I've just been going to work and coming home. I don't.
Now, the reason why I ask you that is because if you need some drug treatment, then we can probably help you to get some help with some drug treatment.
No, I don't need that.
Okay. And you did have this nitrous oxide on you at that time, correct?
Yes.
All right. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of open alcohol in motor vehicle passenger and as charged to the possession of sale or consumption of nitrous oxide, and to stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf for the civil infraction, Counselor.
Yes, Judge.
Stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Judge.
With those stipulations, I'm going to find you responsible as charged to the failure to secure passenger, and I'll dismiss the other matters. So you're working now, ma'am?
Yeah, it's just with the New Year's and stuff. I'm on a contract with like a company, so we have to wait for that call for us to go back to work.
All right, 3-month delayed on the possession of nitrous oxide. That's gonna put your review date at April the 6th, 2026. I'm not gonna test you. I don't know if there is testing for possession for nitrous oxide, but I'm not gonna test you. I'm not gonna fine you for anything else. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a break here. But if you continue to do that nitrous oxide and you get caught doing it, you're gonna lose this dismissal that your attorney has secured for this possession of these drugs, okay?
Okay.
So I need you to pay $240 by April the 6th. Don't get in any other trouble like that. Come back April the 6th. If all those two conditions are met, then we'll dismiss the case. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat after your phone, or you come on down to the best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, Miss Galvin, have a safe and happy new year, and we'll see you back April the 6th, okay?
How much was it again?
$240.
240. Okay.
And Judge,
right,
I do just want to confirm that that case will revert to House Counsel on April the 6th, if that's okay.
Yeah, that'll you're done. You're for the reviews. Your representation is over with.
Thanks,
All
Judge.
right. All right. Now, Officer Ozzie, you can leave. Miss Galvin, be safe. Officer Ozzie, be safe, and happy New Year to you.
Yes, Your Honor. Just one last thing. I think I have one more defendant, Lopez Ramos. I'm going to stick around for.
Very well.
Yes,
All
sir.
right, let's go back. Let's go back on the record with Miss Giles. Miss Giles, Officer, Miss Giles, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Was there able to be able to work something out in this?
Yes, we have, Your Honor. So I submitted a discovery request on December 5th. And
let me let your go ahead and do it.
Okay.
So, Your Honor, I think she was doing a great job by herself. I did just send a prompt for Ms. Horn to join the main session, but yes, Your Honor, there was a discovery request made and discovery has not been received. Defense is moving to dismiss.
Ms. Horn, appearance for the record for Antonia Giles.
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. We also have Officer Souls here. I'm not sure if he stated his name and badge number for the record yet, Your Honor.
Very well, he did. Officer Souls, you stated your name, badge number, and department for the record. Okay. Why, there's a motion to dismiss, no discovery.
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Giles did forward her discovery request on December 5th, 2025. As the court rule provides, we had 21 days to get that to her. I was not able to, I missed the email, Your Honor. So the people we're asking for an adjournment. However, we're going to defer to the court on how this matter should be resolved, Your Honor.
All right. I guess if I rule in favor of Ms. Giles as far as the discovery request, then that's going to put the matter to bed completely then, right? Or do you feel that you have an opportunity to refile the case?
We do, Your Honor, and ultimately we would have an opportunity to refile it. So we would agree that that a dismissal without prejudice, if the court is inclined to make a dismissal today.
I'll rule on it today. I don't have a problem with that, but I don't know if it's going to totally put the matter to bed or not. I'll dismiss the case for the discovery violation.
Oh, yeah, she's the supervisor, yeah.
Case dismissed. If there's nothing further, have a safe new year. Officer Soul, NPO Souls, you be safe, and good to meet you, Attorney Giles, to be safe. Everybody have a very
Yeah.
good rest of your.
I just
Thank
want to
you, Your Honor.
confirm that both cases are dismissed. There's the civil infraction and the misdemeanor. I just don't want one to get accidentally lost.
Okay.
Yeah, they're both dismissed.
Okay, amazing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That attorney just didn't want to go up against him.
All right. So let's get Mr. It's Lovejoy. Who's got Lovejoy?
I do, Judge, and we're ready on it.
All right, let's go with the city of Detroit versus Antonio Lovejoy. Case number SP 179-29051. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PA 0132 for the defendant. Mr. Lovejoy, your name, please. And so, Mr. Lovejoy, I'm prompting you to unmute. If you would accept the prompt, please.
And turn your camera on.
I do apologize. My camera is broken, so it's unoperational.
I don't know if that's the truth.
It was
The
broken the
camera.
last time I saw you. I'm still on the same phone.
I think he's saying, Judge, it's not a software issue. It's not the Zoom camera's not working. He's saying that the physical camera
Like
is broken.
it's like real bad. You wouldn't even be able to see me at all.
I didn't ask you that. It will connect. Let me determine that.
Yes, sir.
All right. What is the Corporal Spidell? Good morning to you. State your name, badge, number, department for the record, please.
Good morning, Corporal Spidell, Batch 402, Detroit Police Department.
All right. Good morning. Is there a resolution here?
Yes, Judge. We've reached a proposed resolution under which the defendant would plead guilty to, as charged, with a recommendation for a 3-month delayed sentence. We'd ask the court to adopt that recommendation.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lovejoy?
Mr. Lovejoy,
Muted, sir.
you're muted again.
I'm so sorry. I didn't know. Yes, thank you.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Is it raised?
Yes, it is raised.
Do you swear or affirm?
Are you raising your hand too?
Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for the offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Dupree went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, I do not.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
I'm seeing some movement on your camera. Turn the light on, sir.
That light is on, sir.
No, I don't think you're being completely forthright with me.
That's how the camera it works, sir.
I don't think you're being forth. Why would I be seeing a black screen and then sometimes when you're moving around, I
can turn it around. Hold on 1 second.
Don't interrupt when I'm asking you a question.
I'm so sorry.
Why do I see a black screen and then I see some light at different times and I see some moving around?
Because that's how I'm walking one, but that my camera is like broken. So it's like I'm not controlling it in that it comes on and off like when it wants to do so. I wish I could physically show you. I really do.
All right. All right, let me draw your attention back to November the 11th, September the 11th, sorry, strike that, September the 11th, 2025, around 5:30 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the areas Myers and Schoolcraft. Did you
Yes,
have an
sir.
occasion encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I believe I did. Yes.
No, it's not whether you believe or not. Did you or not?
Yes.
And were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And were you, were you smoking marijuana in the passenger compartment of that motor vehicle?
Not in the motor vehicle. It was more like we had like just smoked and then got into the vehicle and then we had pulled off and then they had pulled us over.
So you weren't smoking when they pulled you over in that motor vehicle?
No, it was more like they smelled it when the windows was down.
All right, so it's smoking marijuana within passenger area of motor vehicle upon public way. That's 33.297954, paren 4, paren G. So do you want to take a look at the statute, Mr. Dupree?
Judge, if the court will pass the matter, I'll go talk to the prosecutor. We can just amend it to be the having marijuana in the passenger compartment, but let me go just make sure she's okay with that. It's still a misdemeanor. It's the same thing.
Want to see a copy of the ticket here? It says defective driver brake light. Driver said it was legal.
Yes, Judge. I'm just saying we get this. What he's saying happened would still be a violation. It's just of a different provision. So I'll go talk to the prosecutor and we'll amend it over to that.
Okay. Okay, very well.
Court will pass the matter, Judge.
And let's go back on the record with Mr. Gavin, Mr. Stephen Gavin. Mr. Berry, is this going to be a dismissal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, it's finally over with, Mr. Gavin. Case dismissed. I'll waive the warrant fee, and I wish you a happy New Year, sir, and I wish you the best of luck, okay?
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. This has been 20+ years in the making. Thank you.
Yep, yeah, I'm glad you got it behind you, all right?
So I'm a
All right,
have a
best
great
of luck
year.
to
Have
you.
a great year. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, Judge.
Yes.
One more thing. Somebody want to say hello to you.
Say that again.
I got someone who wants to say hello to you. Say hello, sugar.
Oh, do Very good. I don't know if he's going to, is it a boy or a girl?
It's a girl.
I don't know if she's going to respond back, but tell her I said hi.
All right.
Take it easy, Mr. Gavin.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. Bye.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jamar Goodman, case number SP 102-5542, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 102-58381, SP 142-67691, SP 179-6 0, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Good morning to you, Mr. Goodman.
Good morning, Judge.
Elwood
S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Goodman.
Jamar Wesley Goodman.
Judge, I'm gonna step away for just 1 second.
Okay. Do I have Goodman's phone?
It's right here. I'm
All
gonna
right,
try
thank you. All right, Mr. Goodman, today is the date and time set for a trial. Let me put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. I don't know if any of the officers appeared at all. Roberts, Alexander, and Al-Jaf. The Al-Haja did appear.
Okay.
Ali did appear. Let me put you in a breakout room, Mr. Goodman, with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer today, is the date and time set for a trial. Join the room. let us know what you want to do. We'll pass the matter.
Okay.
All right, let's go with, what happened to Mr. LaFleche? Ms. Harris,
Need to go back into the breakout room.
rejoin the breakout room, sir. Mr. Newman. Who do we have?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I have Omar
Omar?
on a civil infraction.
That's 16 to 20 over?
I don't think so.
We did an Omar civil infraction.
First name's Ibrahim.
Oh my goodness. I think that was, we have two Omars. Attorney,
It was Amir.
yeah, Amir. But I think I may have brought the wrong one though. Maybe not. I don't know. Is the officer here for that one?
Yes, Your Honor. This Officer Dolbowski is here for that one.
Good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Ibrahim Omar, case number SB 182-89081. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, this is Officer Dolbowski, Detroit Police Badge 4916.
Morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Attorney David Newman appearing on behalf of defendant Ibrahim Omar, PA 2515.
All right, good morning to the both of you. Happy New Year to the both of you.
Happy New Year as well, Your Honor. Thank
As
you.
for your client's presence.
I'd like to waive his appearance, Your Honor.
And you've been retained and have the authority to enter into any agreement on your client's behalf, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, I'll waive the client's presence. Have you worked it out?
I have not, Your Honor. I've not had an opportunity to speak with anybody.
Oh, I thought you were ready. All right, go ahead and you can either speak with the officer, Mr. Officer Dolbowski, if you feel comfortable. You can speak with the attorney yourself, or we'll put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris, Miss Horn.
Okay. Either way, thank you. I appreciate it, Your Honor.
All right, we'll pass the matter. Mr. Boffman, are you ready on the floor? Okay, Officer Paulus, your case is done. You be safe. I think your client, your defendant, took a plea.
Okay.
1 to 5. Officer Martin, your client got a blocking traffic. You both be safe.
Thank you, sir, and have a good day. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good week.
Are we ready on LaFleche?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. LaFleche. Ms. Harris, what does Mr. LaFleche want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting a trial date.
All right, no appointment of a counsel at all?
No, Your Honor, it's my understanding we just need to have a conversation with the officer. So I'm hopeful that we can do that with House Counsel.
Trial date is going to be January 22nd, Mr. LaFleche. Nothing further, you be safe, and I'll see you back in a couple of weeks, all right?
Okay, on Zoom again, right?
On Zoom.
Okay, 22nd?
20 seconds. Make sure that, 20 seconds. If no further questions, be safe out there.
All right, thanks.
That one, I didn't want to mess up, get them mixed up. It was two Omars.
It was 2 hours, okay,
One is at,
Amira.
9 o'clock,
at 8:30.
8:30 for, yeah, that's the one yeah,
Myra.
and the Ibrahim at 9 o'clock. All right.
Oh, you already did this one.
All right. Well, I haven't done it yet. I need that file. As long as I got the right file. There we go.
Did I give you one phone?
No.
Your Honor, sorry to interrupt. Is
Yes.
is defendant Lopez Ramos in today or absent?
Oh, I have Lopez Ramos. We were given a little bit more grace today, but it's now 11 o'clock. So I don't know if they're going to appear because of the change of courtroom and stuff like that. But they should have had Apple time. You're free to leave, Officer Ozzie. If there's nothing further, you be safe and happy New Year to you.
You as well, Your Honor. Prosecutor also has my phone number in case the defendant shows up. I can come back in.
Very good.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a blessed day.
This is the city of Detroit versus Karima Griffin. I hope I pronounced it correctly. SP 8060801. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Mr. Griffin. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? All right, let's pass it. Are we ready on Lovejoy?
Yes, Judge.
All right, let's pass that. Let's go back to the record with Mr. Lovejoy. So what you want to voir dire, Mr. Lovejoy? Unmute yourself.
Yes, Judge, I'll voir dire him. He will be pleading as to the current charge as charged. I spoke to him in the breakout room.
He still has not unmuted himself.
Mr. Lovejoy, I'm prompting you to unmute. Please unmute your device. You need to accept the prompt. Mr. Lovejoy, need to unmute.
All right, I'm about to have it up to here with him. He's gonna come in if he keeps on wasting the court's time.
Mr. Lacy.
He's unmuted now, Judge. Mr. Lovejoy, are you there? Mr. Lovejoy, you are unmuted, but we can't hear you. Please state your name.
Just
all right, I'm not gonna keep on. He's gonna come in, Mr. There's the file. Tell him his client did this got bunch of failed to reports. He's got problems.
Oh.
All right, let's go back. Let's recall. City of Detroit versus Karima Griffin, case number SP 180600801.
Erica Harris, on behalf of defendant Griffin, please state your name for the record.
Karima Griffin.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Griffin, Ms. Harris, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you updated off. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You do owe two old tickets, ma'am. Improper display of plate and a defective equipment. It's $261 you owe the court now. So let me put you in a breakout room and Ms. Harris can see if she can help you. All right. Join the room, please.
Okay, thank you so much.
Let's pass the matter. Okay, this is the last time, Mr. Lovejoy.
Yes, I'm so sorry. I was having audio troubles. I couldn't hear you guys.
I don't understand why he's having so many of these problems.
Because my phone is broken.
Mr. Lovejoy,
Everything to you seems to be a problem this morning. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lovejoy. You indicated to the court that you're going to voir dire your client, Mr. Dupree.
Yes, Judge. Mr. Lovejoy, I want to take you back to the date and time the judge was discussing with you before. I know you said that when you came into contact with the officer, you weren't smoking marijuana in the vehicle. But prior to that, on that same date, were you in that vehicle smoking marijuana?
Yes.
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, well, the court is satisfied if he wants to take that deal. As charged, $240, a 3-month delayed sentence. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. Pay it by April the 6th. Don't get any other trouble like this. If both of those conditions are met, you come back April 6th, we'll dismiss the case. All right, Mr. Lovejoy?
Yes, sir.
I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day. April the 6th is your next court date.
Thank you.
Anybody else, Mr. Dupree?
That's it for me for today, Judge. Good seeing you. Happy New Year. See you soon.
Officer Delboski is here for a civil infraction. The attorney's waiting in room 4 for you.
Okay, thank you.
You ready, Mr. Boffman?
I am, Your Honor. Thank you for your courtesy and kindness.
LaFleur, right?
Yes.
This is the city of Detroit versus Gerald LaFleur, case number U71384625. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman, P55052 on behalf of the defendant. Would you give your full name, sir?
Gerald LaFleur.
Your Honor, this matter is set for a trial today. The defendant and I have been here together since approximately, it must have been about 9 a.m., Your Honor. And trial was set at that time. It is now 11:16. My understanding is that without a complaining witness, the people will not be able to proceed. Would you consider a motion to dismiss here without prejudice for the reason that no complaining witness appeared? Officer Scouten.
Good morning to you, Mr. LaFleur. I do not have an Officer Scouten on my thing. I will dismiss the case. No officer, if it's nothing further. Be safe. Happy New Year to you, and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Happy New Year to you and your staff, as well as you, Mr. LaFleur. Ms. Fiorell, you as well.
Thank you. Have a
Everybody.
All right. Does Mr. Leon need an interpreter, Mr. Lacy?
No, Your Honor.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Aaron De Jesus Leon. Case numbers SP 1778745, SP 1779302, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 177793971, and Z98541. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Michael Lacy, appearing on behalf of Mr. Leon, who is seated to my right. Kneel down.
Okay, good morning to you. Happy New Year to you. State your name for the record, Mr. Leon.
Full name.
Aaron Leon.
All right, we have issues. We have issues. And it goes to the testing. And I told you last time you were here, if there was a missed test, a failed test, or a positive test, then we're going to have to ante on the bond. I have you failed to report on November the 14th, December the 27th, January the 2nd.
Your Honor, is there any way you could increase the volume? We can barely hear you.
I don't know. You may have to increase the volume on your device.
I got it on as high as I can, but I can hear you enough. It's okay. We can make it happen.
I don't think there's any way I can increase the
Okay.
volume on this. Well, did you hear me that
You missed
I
3
can
tests.
raise my voice? Yeah, that you failed to report 3 times.
I've been going.
Okay, tell them, when did you miss?
The only time I missed was this weekend, and I let my officer know.
No, you didn't. The time you missed, and it seems to have you've missed after New Year on the 2nd. You missed right after Christmas on the 27th, and then sometime in the middle of well, that was on the start date on the 14th.
You know.
So why did you miss? Well, let's talk about the 2nd of January. Why did you miss?
How I wasn't feeling well, and I was just taking cough syrup and Tylenol.
No, I'm not buying that.
But I went the next day.
I'm not buying that. I'm not buying that. What's going to happen with these cases, Mr. Lacy?
Well, Your Honor, we've worked out a plea, and he will be pleading to operating while visibly impaired. And I'm waiting. I have the other charges. Let's see if it was sent to me. It was supposed to be sent to me. Oh, here we go. So, sorry, Your Honor. Here we go. Okay, so he will be pleading to I'm having a hard time reading. Did she send it to you?
Yeah, operating while visibly impaired.
Yes.
I have a failed to report.
Yes.
Amended failed to report and responsible for the equipment violation.
That's correct, Your Honor. Yes, that's correct. That's how he'll be pleading.
All right. Now, based on what you just told me, sir, I further don't believe that this was because you were sick, because you indicated to the court that you took cough syrup, and with that, where that puts the court to believe is that you're trying to say if there was going to be some alcohol in your system on the 2nd, then it was gonna be because of the cough syrup. So I think that you've been drinking.
No.
I'm not gonna sit here and have you lying to me about this stuff. So I'm gonna definitely take that in consideration at sentencing. And I'm gonna also up the amount of testing today to twice a week.
Your Honor, I hear everything you're saying, and I can tell you I'm going to have a very long talk with my client. One thing that young clients like himself don't understand about people like me who are a little older, we've been there, done that. And everything you said, coincidentally, January 2nd, December 27th, I'm going to have a long talk with him, Your Honor. I promise.
Please do, because this is his future. And, you know, I know you think you do it all and
Good morning.
smart.
Good morning.
A little smarter.
I had an opportunity to go over the pre-sentence report.
We're going to I'm going to be looking at you with heightened scrutiny now. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. All right. You want to take this deal, sir?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down.
Can't you say, Your Honor, like I tell you?
He doesn't have to say it. That's not going to change anything in my eyes for him anyway.
I know, but
He'll probably be saying it when if he ever gets that 93 days in jail, he might be saying it then.
You know, that has a way of making these things happen, Your Honor. But I'm going to
That
have a
does
long
have a-
talk
That does have a way.
because I was young once myself.
And I was too. And I had
Young
a drunk
people don't
driving
realize this.
Yep. All right. Do you understand, Mr. Leon, that the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Lacy has gone over your other advice or rights at some point during the pendency of this case, has he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to August the 30th, 2025 at around 5:06 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Rodemaker and Fort Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have an accident in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
You never reported that accident, did you?
No.
You satisfied, counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll find your client guilty as to the failure to report. Amended count. let me draw your attention back to that same day. Were you operating that motor? You were operating that motor vehicle on that date and that time, weren't you?
Yes.
And did you have some alcohol prior to or during the operation of that motor vehicle?
Yes.
And how much alcohol did you have?
Like 6 drinks.
6 drinks.
Yeah.
And would you agree that that alcohol impaired your ability to operate that motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
How old are you?
22.
I think your attorney did a very good job of getting you this visibly impaired. It almost makes me want to consider taking it. And where's some what was wrong with the vehicle that you were driving? Did it have tinted windows on it, sir?
Yes, I did.
All right, I'm gonna find you guilty as to the amended count of operating while visibly impaired, and to the responsible for the civil infraction as charged to the improper equipment. Stipulate the probable cause, will dismiss the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna order you to. I've already upped the testing to twice per week. I'm gonna order you to do a pre-sentence report, investigation report. You're gonna have to submit to that. Your probation officer may or may not be the same person, but they'll contact you for that. You need to submit yourself to that pre-sentence report. We need that report at the day of sentencing. I'm gonna put this about 45 days out. Let's put this out until September the 15th, sentencing.
Your Honor, you said September. I think you meant
I'm
February.
sorry. Let me put you out to February the 15th. Thank you.
Oh, no problem, Judge.
10 a.m.
At 9 a.m., Your Honor.
At 10 a.m.
Oh, 10. Your Honor, did you say February 15th?
February 15th, yes.
Because that's a Sunday.
Is that a Sunday?
It is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I was looking at January. Let's say February 16th.
All righty.
All right, now here we go, sir. You've already pled guilty to operating a drunk driving case. You've already admitted to the court that you failed to report. And the court takes that admission, the reason why you failed to report, because I believe you've been drinking. I've upped your bond now to twice per week. So now it's going to be more eyes on you. And you're still looking at the 93 days in jail. If you can drink, then I'm going to use every resource that I have in order for you to comply, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so I wish you the best of luck. I hope I don't have to go there, but I definitely will. You understand me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I really appreciate you talking to my client like this because your words were very, very kind. Mine aren't going to be as kind. If you have 30 seconds, I'll tell you an interesting story. Do you have 30 seconds or less?
Absolutely.
My brother was in high school. He asked to borrow the car to go to work. He worked at Dunkin' Donuts. It was at Gratiot and Outer Drive. So he was supposed to work from 6 to 9, 3 hours. It closed at 9 o'clock. Okay, great. He came back around 10:30. Oh my God, they made me work overtime, Dad. Okay. My father went out to the garage, came back a moment later. Before my brother left, my dad wrote down the miles on the car to see because he knew how far this Dunkin' Donuts was. Lo and behold, he drove around 30 miles when it should have been about 2 miles. So sometimes young people think older people are dumb, but it's just the opposite.
Well, he has to learn that on his own, right? And
Yes.
you know, again, the court has ways to we can give them the words, but then we have to take action after people don't get it, and the court has ways to take those actions. You know, the story your counsel just said is that his dad knew a long time ago that his brother was not coming home on the time and was not in the places that he said he was going to be. And I'm sure that this was not the first time that that has been done, and he put that line on his dad. His dad knew that. And what he did was he just showed him that all that you're saying to me is BS, and you've been out and about and hanging out. And that's pretty much all you need to say sometimes, because at the end of the day, you know, he might take the car away from him for a couple of days, but the lying part, it doesn't really get you that far, because they already know. We've been there, done that.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. I really appreciate this.
Judge,
Yes.
the new date is February
16th.
And that's President's Day. Are we open? I believe we may not be.
Miss Mathis?
Yeah, we're closed.
Oh my goodness, so we're getting holidays on President's Day. The 17th then.
Okay. The 17th it is.
Yeah, so if you have a problem drinking and you can't control yourself, you need to step up and say that as well. But peer pressure, I'm not going to accept that as a reason to be doing it either.
Yes.
Thank you, Miss Williams Law.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Vitamin here.
Best of luck
you.
to you all.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a very good rest of your day. I'll see you back soon.
Thank you. Have a great New Year, Judge. I wish you all the best.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. All right. Are we ready on Goodman? Let's go back on the record with Ms. Griffin. Ms. Griffin, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is dismissal.
Griffin? Yes, Your Honor. There's a recommendation to dismiss on Griffin.
All right,
With the
Ms. Griffin.
understanding
Go ahead.
With the understanding that she has those other civil infractions that she would have to take care of, she is respectfully asking if the court could allow her to do community service for those.
Oh, you want to do community service, Ms. Griffin? Where is she?
She's out here, Your Honor. She just has to unmute her device. Oops.
Hi.
Ms. Griffin? Hi, you want to do community service?
Please.
I need a good phone number from you.
313-377-2087.
All right, I'm gonna get you in touch with the community service coordinator, Miss Sheldon. And I'm gonna allow you to do 12 hours of community service.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're so much welcome. Come back in 30 days. And make sure you get the paperwork that's necessary to Miss Shelton. I'll give you the number to community service.
On the people.
I'll give you the number to community service, 313-965-8130. Will clear civil infractions. All right, come back on the 5th of February. We'll close those matters out if the community service is completed. Have a safe, happy new year to you, ma'am, and best of luck to you. I'll see you back on the 5th. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Omar. Have you, Mr.
Hello, Your
Mr.
Honor.
Nguyen, have you worked out a resolution to this?
I did speak with the prosecutor in this matter. We do want to adjourn for a FOIA request.
All right, Ms. Horn, you couldn't get a proper resolution? One that your client can live with?
No, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to reset it for a formal hearing on January 22nd, 2026 at 8:30.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Be safe.
Thank you as well.
All right, let's go back on the record. Are we ready on Mr. Goodman?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goodman. Mr. Goodman, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the 16 to 20 miles over the limit and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
That's a doggone good deal there, Mr. Goodman. I don't need to ask you, do you want to take that, do I?
No, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, sir?
In a week or two.
Well, you tell me.
2 weeks.
October 20th, 2026, pay that by. I'm going to waive the warrant fee. You owe some other money down here as well. I'm only concerned about the blocking traffic, 175, but you owe reinstatement fees for these old tickets, some other civil infractions that you haven't paid. If you want to, you can get into a payment plan. I don't even have to mark a file for that. You just come on down to the courthouse and get into the payment plan. Mr. Goodman, I wish you a happy new year, a successful new year. And
what was that date again, Your Honor?
I keep on messing up the dates. January the 20th. I said October, didn't I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And he didn't say anything about that. He would have took October all day, wouldn't he?
Oh, it's still been paid within that 2 weeks, though.
There it is. All right. All right, Mr. Goodman. Safe and a happy new year to you, sir.
Thanks. Same to you. Appreciate it.
Appreciate you. All right. That's it. Seems to be Laws. Miss Laws again.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. I don't see you, Miss Laws. She's not putting her camera up.
That's what you mean.
Turn your
Okay.
Listen, Miss Laws, go put some, listen, we're not gonna start this year out like this. Go put some clothes on. Same stuff every single solitary time I see you. Continue to get tickets. This is just gonna be a revolving door with you. All right, where's the, thank you. City of Detroit versus Natavia Laws. Case numbers SP 1808189, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1808191, SP 1844613, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1844639-1. State of Michigan versus Natavia Laws, case number SX 4623168, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Laws.
Natavia Laws.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I don't know when this is when it's going to be enough for you.
Enough is enough.
It must not be, because you can just continue to see you all year. For a couple of years, ever since I've been here, you've been back almost every year.
I know this one had got pushed back because
this one pushed back because you got new cases or something. You continue to not show up to court. You continue to get new cases.
yeah, I thought it had got rearranged because court date.
I don't need to hear it.
We have the single case on the docket, Your Honor.
I know. And that would be SP 1808191. So along with that came count 2, no registration. Count 3, no insurance proof. Also, an expired plate.
When I had got pulled over.
Don't say anything. Also, an expired plate, a no insurance proof, a no valid registration, and improper equipment. Also, a wrong way driving, obstructed vision, and a no ops. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cases into the record. If you need me to read them again, Mr. Berry, I will.
Yes, Your Honor, I only have 8.
So I have expired plate, no valid registration, no proof of insurance. And that goes with the no ops, the one that's on the docket. No ops. And then we have expired plate, no insurance proof, no valid registration, and improper equipment. And then we have a wrong way driving, obstructed vision, and a no ops.
Okay.
All right. You know how it works, Ms. Laws. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
And Your Honor, I would like to review I'll look at the summary sheet. I'll come down and take a look, Ms. Math, if you can have that ready. Okay, thank you.
There you go. Yeah. This is from Ms. Law. This is from Ms. Law.
Morning, Judge.
Attorney, good morning.
I'm sorry, you cut off there, Judge. What was that?
Who's your client? Good morning. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year's to you as well. Happy holidays. Checking in, I called in earlier for Brian Gary, Geary is the last name.
Geary.
Yeah,
I see.
I believe it's scheduled for a formal. I don't know if you can tell me whether or not the officer has checked in or did check in.
City of Detroit versus Brian Norris Gary, case number SP 1835545, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Ali Barrow, P85907, appearing on behalf of the defendant, requesting that his presence be waived.
All right. And you have the authority to enter into any agreement on his behalf, and you're retained, correct, Counselor?
That is correct. I am covering for the retained counsel, Ms. Marissa Voiles. Your Honor, I wanted to request from the court if they can inform me whether or not the officer on this matter had checked in.
No, I don't see T. Smith, Officer T. Smith. I have not seen an Officer T. Smith, and I don't have that officer on my sign-in sheet.
Very well, Your Honor. At this time, the defense would like to make a motion to dismiss this matter for the officer's failure to appear at the formal hearing scheduled for today.
Okay, Kate, the motion granted. Be safe, Counselor.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day to you and your staff as always. Bye, Ms. Mathis. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year, Judge.
David Greenspan indicated that he needed to come take care of something with his bank. And
He said he wanted to come in person. He was having some trouble. He called.
okay.
Is this printer paper down here, Jay?
Yeah. No, I did see that, but I
You need some? I think that's what that is.
No, we got plenty back here.
It's like it's unopened too.
Well, I got plenty back here. So you stand up to see how high it is, which is a good thing.
Your Honor, I believe the interpreter can be released now. If
Yes, yeah, you could, you're free to leave, Ms. Villarreal. We'll see you.
Thank you.
If we don't see you, tomorrow, we'll see you Wednesday.
Absolutely, Your Honor. Wednesday.
Have a good day.
You do too. Bye-bye.
Does that time off kick me up with these
Pardon
dates? I'm sorry, the time off that did you in with these dates. See you
Yes,
Sunday.
it does. Yes, it does. I woke up and I woke up very late today. I was like, whoa. I
like you usually early.
I know, that
Time off.
the time off spoiled.
I laid down last night. I went on Instagram. They had all these memes about people not wanting to come in. I was like, you know, they wrong. Everybody is close to calling out. They was so wrong.
Miss Griffin, you're back?
Phone died.
Pardon me?
My phone died. Sorry.
Yeah, I thought we were done. You just need to wait on the community service coordinator to call you, okay? Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that community service coordinator. If you don't hear from them in a week or so, you can Zoom back in or you can call that phone number I gave you.
Okay.
All right?
All right. Thank you so much. Have a happy new year.
As well.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just for Mr. Berry.
Yeah, I was so lazy. One day I wanted these Dots pretzels. I just made myself walk to the store. I was like, 'cause I've been laying around. Now I see like people like in like nursing homes and stuff like that, how they get sore. It's like, Lord. Hey, may I approach your honor?
You may.
Okay. And if you look at that offer, your honor, based on the summary sheet, do you understand that the ones I circled?
Failure to display blocking traffic and allowance.
Yep, and I think it one expired plate that
Expired plate equipment violation.
Think so, yeah. Okay, cool, got it. That door don't spike when you open it.
Which one?
You know this. You know how that kind of soft opens.
The fans was, and I couldn't get this trying to hang up.
It's hung up?
Yeah, now you can turn it back.
Who's that?
Miss Griffin?
Ms. Griffin, you can hang up. I guess I don't know what to do with all this room.
I told her you probably gonna be standing up, walking back and forth.
Good,
It's real space
There's a
up
lot
there.
of room.
You got a lot of room too?
Yeah, I don't feel like when I was in that little thing.
Yeah. Corner across the
Cause I always, it was so, I move around a lot in that little area. I would always hit that wall right there. And I know that had to be annoying because I would hit it all the time.
I didn't know. You made it annoying to the people next door?
I don't know, this wall, it was the wall on the bench. And I
didn't hear, I didn't pay attention to it.
Yeah. Yeah, this, I'm not gonna be doing.
You like your berry?
Yeah, how can you not like more room better? You
You
know what I'm saying?
To working this way, you know what I'm saying? Cause
It is, and it's a big adjustment because we had our way of going.
yeah, it'll all work out. When I was up working, I was like, them 2 days, I was like, it's.
And then you had your files right back there too.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying though, if you have to go to the file.
Oh, yeah, I love that part. I love that part. That's the best part.
Files right there.
Yeah, that's important. I gotta get prep. I can grab something I'm missing.
So we did have a sub today.
So you can make your own stuff.
At the whatchamacallit?
Kind of mini sub place down there or something.
Oh, I don't know.
And that's quiet up here too.
Very.
Yeah.
Very quiet.
Like, it's no one in the hallway, and I can tell. So, wait, weird.
Judge Austin Garrett's dock is pretty quiet too.
Oh, yeah, he got a nice.
He's on the 5th floor.
Right next door.
Is he? Austin Garrett is 434, 534. Who's after that?
Judge Conoco.
533. And then who else is down this one?
Judge Perkins.
Judge Bradley Bill. Bradley Baskin, I'm sorry,
My name
is
is
539. Judge Hennet Johnson is 537. Judge Coleman is
He's gone.
Jones Coleman.
Jones Coleman. Okay. Oh,
I think it's 538.
Okay. Did you want to come up to the courtroom? The 5th floor, 535. To the 5th floor. Okay, bye-bye. Somebody for her son, I didn't get his name yet, but she's on her way up here.
Who?
A mother called about her son. I didn't get the son's name, but she's gonna come up here. She said something about he's in jail. She's downstairs in the lobby.
Just gotta get a quick minute just in case they come back.
Okay.
You have alarm set in the morning, Judge?
Yeah, on my phone.
You go to the gym in the morning before you come?
Good morning, ma'am. How may I help you? Morning.
Hi, they told me, I think I might have spoken to you. You told me to come up here.
Still morning. Good afternoon.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
Well, good afternoon now.
Yeah, is it?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
What is your son's name?
Shane Gibson. I brought the cards and I can pull him up on Jail Tracker for you if you need that. Do you need me to do that?
Does he have a court date today or tomorrow?
Tomorrow at 1:30,
And where is he locked up?
Macomb County Jail.
And when does he expect to get out?
Well, I just found out today he doesn't have he has an interview with probation on the 27th. Then he gets potentially a sentence on February 2nd. So his concern was he doesn't even know what's going to happen then. And can we push this out, to like, I don't know, June?
Does he have an attorney?
Well, he's going to get a court appointed.
Court appointed attorney. Let's appoint him an attorney for here as well. And what we can do is we can get him some kind of
Oh, thank you.
get him written out so he can appear at the jail.
Will they do that? Because,
Yeah.
okay, I wasn't sure. because it was Macomb County versus Wayne County, so he wasn't sure if he could do that.
Is there a phone number that we can reach? You can answer the calls maybe and put this attorney in touch with your son?
Yes, that would be fine. 586-441-9168.
Give them a pretrial date of January 22nd, 2026 at 8:30. And we'll make sure that defendant is currently in Macomb County jail awaiting sentencing, correct?
Yeah, he's got an interview on the 27th.
Yes, and then make sure that puts on there so the attorney, whoever they appoint, will know how to contact them and where to get in touch with them. All right,
Thank you so much.
you're very much welcome.
I was gonna get on the Zoom call myself tomorrow, and I thought, that's the only thing I could do,
So
so.
he does have another date for January the 29th, but we're gonna put.
Just go ahead and give them the January 29th date then. That'll give them a few more days.
What is that date? I never got it.
It's another arraignment date. We're gonna combine them all.
Okay,
So the 29th, we'll instead of the 22nd, we'll put the 29th. That'll give the attorney a little more time. Hopefully they contact you, answer the calls you don't recognize. And so that will be that appointed attorney. If we don't hear from the appointed attorney by the 29th, then you can let us know what we have, and we'll get one appointed to him on the spot that day. And we'll deal
but
with it.
he should get on a Zoom call that day.
Well, the attorney needs to do some things to make sure that he gets on that Zoom call. The attorney should know what to do about that. And if there's an order that we need to sign, we'll sign that. But at least have contact. We want him to at least have contact with that attorney so that we can get it moving.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then one of the things was tabs, and the tabs have been replaced. Should I take a picture of the license plate?
Well,
or-
just talk to the attorney and make sure that you have all the current information for them, and then he or she will deal with it.
Okay,
All right.
is that all I need?
Pretty much. If you want
I'm
some,
waind for a piece of paper.
if you want
I
some
don't-
paperwork, you
I
can
can
get
use
some.
this.
Yeah,
This keep remind the other day.
okay, that'd be great.
And unfortunately, I don't know what his status is as far as this narcotics, but unfortunately, we're not accepting any more drug treatment. But I would also give that as a avenue for him.
Well, he's in their MAP program currently, and getting going through therapy and getting treatment by the doctor. And he was hoping he could get out. It's through Sacred Heart.
Okay, good.
And he's got a counselor, a peer recovery coach, a sponsor.
Very good.
They've got that
All right,
already.
that's good.
So I suppose he could say, oh, thank you. This is the date. The 29th.
The 29th.
Okay.
All
So
right.
I should be waiting to hear from an attorney.
You should be waiting to hear from an attorney. If you don't hear from the attorney, you can even Zoom back in on the 29th and you can let us know. And then we'll get that attorney on the spot on that day
Okay.
and then connect you, and you can connect the attorney with your son.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Happy New Year to you. And we'll be praying for you and your son.
Thank you. I could use it.
Absolutely. Have a good day, man.
I'm back, Judge.
All right.
Just got plenty of room.
Easy to scooting about.
Keep on rolling.
You might need a new chair. That one might not scoot good enough.
Chair's good. All right, what's going on with Miss Laws?
Okay, the offer has totally changed, Your Honor. It's my understanding she does have a valid license, according to Mr. Berry.
Right.
And so the offer has changed to two expired plates, one improper equipment, one blockading.
All right.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Smell
Gotcha.
it. All right. Mr. Berry's having a long conversation with her.
Yes.
So you told them to take all the glass down?
You want it back up?
I didn't ask that. I just
took
asked a
it down.
question.
I took it. They didn't take it.
But you took it down?
Yeah, it's sitting over there.
No, I don't have a
It looked
problem.
better without it, I don't.
I didn't pay attention to it when it was up. I just saw it. I think I saw it.
Well, I took it down at my desk because I didn't have enough room because it sits far and I need more room, so that's why I took it down. And then when I took it down, it just looked better to me. Unless you want it back up. I mean, we can put it back up and still over there. They have me some business.
Waiting for the first argument between you two in 2026. I'm just listening closely.
Because when I was at home, I thought about that. I said maybe I should have waited.
I just asked one question.
I was like, maybe I was, it was a lot of, it took a little,
Sometimes it's not the question, it's how you ask it and what the person is interpreting from it.
It's his
Well, I
smile.
can
It was the smile.
I was like, maybe I should have waited, but it looked nice to me.
I think more so.
Listen, Miss Mathis was in there getting the courtroom together. Do you hear me? She was in there making moves, shaking things down. And I was like, woo, Miss Mathis, you it.
I mean, okay. Well, I was trying to.
No, it's a good thing. No, I ain't being funny. I'm saying she was in there and she was getting things together. And I mean, like it was home. Like, this ain't gonna be like this, and this is gonna be like this. I don't like that like this. We getting it right. And I was like, Miss Mathis, who nobody is helping? She said, who? It's me. It's me. I'm in here. I said, okay.
Well, I was trying to do my entries, but they wouldn't let me. All I was trying to do.
Well, I see that I didn't ask the question. Miss Mathis has a lot of supporters that are advocating for her.
Say anything.
I just asked.
When we got back, we needed to be ready, right?
I just asked where I'm liking it. I like it.
Make sure you have paper.
See
you
that?
Motion, you got a little bit of stuff. If you're missing something, it's all gonna work out. You got your advice, right? You got them?
I don't. That's on them, and they got all these things here. What's up?
See that when they came in, they just came in. They just bum rushed the courtroom, so I had to grab what was left and leave.
Who they did?
Yeah, because I was working, and then they was like, "No, we got to get in here," and they wanted to get in and get ready.
Who's that? Monique, Judge Sharp in there?
I had to just get out of there, come in here, and so then it was dusty in here. They had to come and vacuum. There was a lot of stuff going on, and her plaque is still here. So if she's looking for her plaque, it's up under here still. This just covering it because they couldn't take it off the wall.
Why couldn't they?
Because they could have took it off, but they claimed they was going to have to rip the paint off and all of that extra stuff. So she come and asked for it. It's just sitting behind her.
Yeah, they would have ripped the paint off. Nobody would have known. So put that there.
He's your cousin. Mine too. Yes, they came in, they was ready, they had all their stuff, they got they judge together.
Throw this away. All right.
That was an old book.
Yeah, let's go back on the record with Miss 2022. Let's go back on the record with Miss Laws. Miss Laws, congratulations getting your license together.
Thank you.
You had a long conversation with Mr. Berry, huh?
Yeah.
Did you get anything out of it?
Yeah, for the most part, we figured out that I got all my my documents and everything. I got my license, I had registration and stuff. When I got pulled over,
Why is it 2 counts of expired plates, 1 count of blocking traffic, and 1 count of equipment violation then, Mr. Berry?
Well, that's the proposed, that's the offer. The problem is that well, we seek an attorney, Your Honor. We need an attorney. It isn't, my client has documents, but she doesn't have the documents that she needs to reflect that she had valid insurance, that she had valid registration at the time that she got those tickets. And I believe an attorney could, I expect that an attorney could easily acquire those documents and provide them to the prosecutor and resolve most of these issues.
Well, are you saying that all right, without going into so much detail about your conversation with your client, I'll ask this way. Does your client have, because all of really documentation that we need is something for valid registration on these expired plates. Does your client have a car in her name that has valid registration?
The registration that she has is not valid, but should have been in effect at the time she got the ticket.
It's not valid now.
Correct.
Your client couldn't show the proof of valid registration at that time?
Well, I don't know the date of the offense, but we believe that the offense took place in 2025, and her registration would have been valid at the time that she got the ticket. The registration that she's showing, but it's not valid now.
Based on what the offer was, 2 counts of expired plates, 1 blocking traffic, and 1 equipment violation. I was only going to fine your client for the blocking traffic and potentially the equipment violation. I wasn't even going to fine her for the expired plate.
Oh.
So do you want to take the deal, ma'am?
could you repeat the offer for me, please?
I'll only fine her for the blocking traffic, and that's the only thing I'll fine her for. If you plead to everything else, I won't even fine you for the other 3 offenses. I see you owe money still here. So do you want to take the deal, blocking traffic for the wrong way? You're going to plead to the expired plates, plead to the improper equipment, and plead to the amended count of blocking traffic. I'll just fine you the 175, and the other matters will just close themselves out.
So I'm only planning to blocking traffic.
Well, you're pleading to all of it, but the blocking traffic is only one you're going to get fined for. None of the stuff abstracts to the Secretary of State. We'll just close it out.
Okay, so that means that I had proper document when I got pulled over.
So you're saying that you gave the officer proper documentation when you got pulled over? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, I had proper documentation, but when I tried to give the officer the paperwork, he had already wrote the tickets out and told me to just show up to court and it'll get handled. It took me a minute to find the paperwork when I got pulled over. And then when he came back and was about to leave, I had the information for him, but he already had wrote the tickets out and told me to just show up to court.
Ms. Horn?
Yes, Your Honor.
Will you accept that as a proper documentation?
No, Your Honor, simply because I think the offer that I've extended is very gracious. Because we're asking her to plead to the 4 You might remove one of the expired plates. You're not charging her for it. It doesn't abstract. The wrong way I've given her blockading on, and I'm moving to dismiss 7 cases. If her documents are always so tight and right, I don't know why we've got so many cases where the officer isn't alleging a violation, Your Honor. So if she does not want to take the offer, we can set it for formal hearing, and like she said, we can speak with the officer at that time.
May I speak with my client again, Your Honor?
Yeah, are you saying there's 2 times that on the October the 7th that they're saying you didn't have a the plates were valid, and that was when they alleged you were driving a 2011 Chevrolet. And then there's another time on December the 17th in that same 2011 Chevrolet. Are you saying that both times you tried to show them valid plates, and both times they didn't give you an opportunity to get your documentation together?
For the one time in October, yes, and then for the other time in December, I didn't have it in the car with me, so they had just wrote the tickets, but I had everything like.
Why whose car is this?
It's my car.
So why isn't the tab on the car?
It is a plate. It's a plate on the car.
And why isn't the plate why don't you put the sticker on the plate?
I have the sticker on the plate.
And you had it on the plate both times?
Yes.
So you're telling me that they wrote you a ticket because you didn't show them the documentation?
Yes. And then they told me to just come to court.
Both times you had the documentation?
Yeah, like both times they were in effect.
Go ahead and speak with your client. Go back in the breakout room, Ms. Laws, and speak with Mr. Berry. Mr. Gross?
Yes, sir. How you doing?
I'm well. Good. Happy New Year to you.
Same to you.
This is afternoon docket. Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the City of Detroit versus Davion Demond Gross. Case numbers SP 1807094, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SP 1824201. Well, you can strike that. Wait a minute. Prohibited. Yeah, you can know the SP 1824201. Appearance for the record, please.
Sorry, Cherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Gross. Please state your name for the record.
Davion Gross.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gross, you came in on a really, I see if Ms. Harris can get you an updated offer. But you came in early. You're supposed to be at 1:30. I don't know if there's offers set for these cases or not, but this prohibited parking, I don't know how that gets on this docket. Maybe, I don't know. Speak to Mr. You see the nature of the allegations, Ms. Harris?
I do not.
All right, you have it in no insurance, illegal transport of marijuana, unsafe manner, and a park in a prohibited area. So, see if you can get Mr. Gross, have a conversation with him, see if you can give him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm
Yes,
gonna
sir.
put you in a breakout room with, Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass them out. I guess before long, it'll be springtime, huh?
At least you can get to the prayer line.
I don't have to walk all around.
You've been wanting to snatch that for a long time. You know, I was thinking like your A25s, I could just set that over there with all the summaries. Cause normally that starts at 8:25 anyway. Yeah, that could just be sitting over there. You enjoy your time off, Judge?
Yeah, I wasn't feeling too good the whole night. Still a little bit stuffy, but yeah, I did.
What you taking for it?
Just NyQuil and little stuff like that. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Laws. Were you able to work it out?
Not satisfactorily, no, Your Honor. This matter needs an attorney to look behind the obvious. And I want to get her number. I don't seem to be able to find the chat. Oh, there it is. Okay. Put her number in the.
All right. Well, you got a valid license now, Ms. Laws. That's a beautiful thing. I'll appoint you an attorney. Did you put her number in the chat, Mr. Berry?
Just now, it's done. Here it comes.
I'm back on January 22nd, Ms. Laws, at 8:30.
January 22nd, 8:30.
And answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls, hopefully, is that appointed attorney contacts you between now and then. And then we'll see if we can get some resolution. Then, if it's nothing further, you can do some things so that you don't have to get these cases on you as well. Keep your documentation on you. And I don't know if you were actually driving up the wrong way street, but I see it all the time. People live in those and they're so used to their neighborhood. Their house might be 3 or 4 houses from the corner. And instead of going around the block, they come up the wrong way. I don't know if that's how Miss Laws did it or if Miss Laws did it or not. But those type of tickets are kind of completely unnecessary a lot of times. All right. All right. Miss Laws, January 22nd. Happy New Year to you. I'll see you back again on time and don't miss it. 8:30.
All right.
All right.
Ms. Horn, could you meet me in room 4, please? Thank you.
Yes.
Mhm. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gross. Ms. Harris, were you able to get
Hey.
Mr. Gross?
I was hoping.
Hold
Sorry,
on.
sorry. I'm sorry.
Were you able to give Mr. Gross an offer?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date as this is an identity issue. And he does have some proofs, but we just need the officer here to cooperate with that.
All right, trial January 22nd, 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Gross, if it's nothing further, Happy New Year to you. I'll see you back on the 22nd.
Thank you. Happy New Year's to you all too.